Hello and welcome. Today we begin the unit on probability. And as for the agenda, this is the game plan. We're going to address the topic of what probability is. Afterwards, we're going to take some notes and establish some vocabulary. And finally, we'll finish it off with some examples. So let's begin by addressing the question, what is probability and why would anyone want to begin to learn about it? So let's consider the following scenario. Suppose you're a store manager. Here you will be dealing with customer demand, which is random. Now you may not be able to look into the future, but at the very least you can provide an educated guess as to how your business will operate each day. Let me give you an example. Let's say you've been analyzing business for the last month and something you noticed was that every Tuesday it's very slow. Now using probability, you can bet that on a Tuesday your business is capable of operating with 2 employees instead of the 6 that are needed every other day when customer demand is high. That decision will help you avoid unnecessary expenses, and when it is all said and done, these useful predictions can lead to bigger profit. Now, these predictions are measured by using percentages. You can have a percentage as low as 0% and get as much as 100%. So that's the basics of probability. You can have anything in between, nothing less, nothing more. Now, percentages are nice because they are indicators that are easy to understand. For example, you may not know too much math, but when someone says that you have a 25% chance of winning something, you know that it's going to be a little bit difficult. Now, if you have an 8% chance of success, you know it's even going to be harder for you to win or accomplish whatever it is you're trying to do. Another one would be 75% of people fail the test. This is a good indicator that maybe you need to study and you're not going to be able to just wing it. Right? So percentages are easy to read, and that's why probability is such a desirable math application that many people can benefit from, even if they don't necessarily understand the theory behind it. But because this is a math class, we're going to touch the surface of probability theory as well as its applications, or some of the applications. Now, before we begin the formalities and set the tone for how we're going to work with probability for the rest of the unit, I would like you to answer the question below. After you answer that one, check into the next video to take some notes and then see some examples so you can complete the rest of this worksheet.